Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a reliable auto clicker and granting accessibility. This lets the tool send taps without constant supervision. Next, position the game view where seeds, watering points, or harvest spots appear so taps land precisely. Then configure an initial pattern. Choose an interval between 200 and 500 milliseconds and a short duration like 60 to 120 seconds to test. This gets you moving immediately while minimizing missteps. Once stable, you can extend durations. Now you build a reliable routine by mapping exact coordinates with the overlay and saving that sequence as a named routine. This avoids redoing setup. Chain actions logically. Seed placement tap, then water tap, then harvest tap, and insert delays of 1 to 5 seconds where the game needs processing. Choose looping by count or by a time window. Loop 50 times or run for 30 minutes depending on stamina. Once done, run the routine briefly and watch for missed spots so you can tweak timing. You launch the routine and watch the first 2 cycles closely to confirm accuracy. This prevents wasted consumables or missed harvests. If alignment drifts, pause and recalibrate coordinates, then slightly increase delays so the game registers each action reliably. Extend runtime gradually and insert short pauses between sessions to avoid device overheating or suspicious behavior. If things go wrong, recalibrate the overlay, reduce tap frequency, and clear the game cache. That single troubleshooting step usually restores predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.